Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel Moxie DIY in Java. I'm Michelle. Today's video is going to be part of Santa's Little Reindeer Hop, and I will have a special name that I am going to say later on in the video, so keep your ears open for that. And with that, grab your cup of coffee or your favorite beverage and join me. To start this DIY, I'm going to use the largest of these three wreath forms. I am also going to be using 15 of these pipberry garlands. Now, what I'm going to do first is create a scallop almost on the inside of the wreath, and really this is just to create a thicker wreath. All I'm doing here is just twisting and wrapping, and that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing for most of the wreath until the very end. Now to get to this point, I have used 5 pipberry garlands, and I'm going to start removing the smaller pieces of these garlands. Pretty much all these garlands are just smaller pieces that have been wrapped together. So I'm going to be separating those into a pile, and I will be using those at a later time in the wreath. Now with this one, I'm going to double up the garland just by twisting the ends and then wrapping it around again. Only this time I'm going to be creating the scallop on the outside of the wreath, once again to create that width that I want. Now this garland I have double folded, which means I have 4 pieces essentially, and I am tying it on with the loose pieces that I made earlier. And these are going to be left free to just create movement in the wreath. Here I'm just showing you how the garland is attached in the smaller sections, and you can just easily untwist them into their smaller parts. As I mentioned earlier, this is the Santa's Little Reindeer Hop, and basically the way you do a hop is in each creator's description box, we are going to have a link to the next channel, and you're going to keep clicking the links from each video to hop along to the next video until you make a full circle. So if you start at my video, you're going to keep clicking until you come right back to my video. All of us got together and we decided that we wanted to give you guys something for Christmas and spread some Christmas cheer. We will be gifting you $110 via PayPal. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is hop along and watch each creator's video, and at the end of the video, leave a comment in the comments section. The giveaway closes Friday, December 10th, 2021 at 12 a.m. Eastern, midnight. The winner will be picked by YouTube Comment Picker on Saturday, December 11th. In order to be eligible for the prize, you must comment in each creator's comment section. And you also have to send an email with the secret name that each creator will tell you. And I will have the email address and all of the rules written in the description box as well as pinned to my comments, so that way you can reference that. We will be announcing the winner on Monday, December 13th in our community tabs. So good luck. I hope that you win. And with that, let's continue the DIYs. I was originally going to use decals on these, but I found these gorgeous vintage printouts from thegraphicsfairy.com. I will link that down below. They have some amazing printouts and graphics. So I just sized these to the bottle caps and I'm going to glue them inside, but we're not going to use both of the holes. We're only going to use one, but the other one is going to be covered up by some greenery. I got both these greenery picks at the Dollar Tree, and I wanted to use elements from both of them in each of my bottle caps. And I specifically wanted this holly leaf from this one because Santa is holding hollies. So I am just going to glue these in, and as I showed you earlier, the print is offset slightly so that way the greenery does not cover up much of it. And I'm just going to put this stuff on. And the name I have for you is Santa. Be sure to email this name along with my channel name to the email that I will provide in the description box below. Please do not put this name in the comments, only in the email. Good luck! I wanted to blend the graphic a little more, so I'm going to use this color Steel by Waverly Chalk Paint, and I'm just going to dab it on. There's really no rhyme or reason to how I'm doing it. I'm just having it go over the outline of the graphic. I'm going to put a dab of hot glue under the knot of this ribbon just so it doesn't get pulled out too easily. I love the look of silicone light bulbs, so I wanted to try my hand at making it myself. We're going to need clear silicone, and about a teaspoon of cinnamon is what I used, and it gave it this really great rustic color. I hope you are enjoying what you're seeing today, and if you are, I hope that you will consider subscribing to my channel. Now, because this is an LED nightlight, there are no light bulbs, so we're going to put it over the cover, and I think it actually turned out pretty cool. Right now, all I'm doing is I'm just globbing it on, trying to get the silicone into place, and then once I do, I'm going to start creating a pattern, kind of like a diagonal swooshing. I guess that's a technical term. And then at the very top, I'm going to put a big blob of silicone and then just tap it until I can get the right curl that I want. This silicone takes about 30 minutes for it to dry, and I gave it overnight until it was dry completely, and it gives a really beautiful glow at night, you can see here. All right, we've reached the end, and I would love to know which one is your favorite. I love the bottle caps. I think they turned out really beautiful, and I can't wait to use them in my decor. I want to thank you for stopping by and spending your time with me, and I hope that you enjoyed yourself. And don't forget to hop along and enter the giveaway. I can't wait to see who wins. I want to wish you very happy holidays and a Merry Christmas. And until I see you in the next video, take care.